just closed. Sir, can you come up a minute? There's a shark in the water. It's right in front of you. Can you make it to the boat? Swim to the boat that's right behind you. Okay. Are you all right? The shark ate him. That's great. We pulled the tram up behind the shark took the pier. That is a very sneaky shark. I see where it is. It's right next to us.